enjoy it all. I have a good laugh. It's what I've wanted to do since I was younger, really. I mean, done it since I was 17, 18. Plan to keep doing it. It's similar because I used to do roofing beforehand, which obviously is outside, and I don't like being stuck inside, so yeah, just keep me going. Go up ladders, cut in, roll. Yeah, it's given me a lot of training qualifications. So yeah, it's good. It's given me more skills. Yeah. Hopefully stay with them and yeah, keep progressing and getting better at my job. Do it. It's worth it, you know, good job opportunity, and yeah, it's a good thing, you have a good laugh.